how to fix this person is unavailable on Messenger error. So if you're facing a problem of this person is unavailable on Messenger error, then what you need to do is, for example, if you go with a chat and on the bottom, if it says this person is unavailable on Messenger, then the main thing or the main reason that it appears is because they have deactivated their account, or either they've blocked you or something like that. But if it's not the case, then what you need to do is just simply tap and hold on to that chat, and here you will have restrict option. Tap on restrict. Once you tap on restrict, now you just need to simply go with the upper left, which has that 3-bar icon, and go with settings. Scroll down, go with privacy and safety, go with the restricted accounts, and here you will have all of the accounts that you've restricted, and simply tap on the restricted account and tap on continue, which is on the bottom, and go with unrestrict, and this might fix your problem. So if this doesn't fix your problem, then that means the other person might have deactivated their account, or they might have blocked you. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.